Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you how to convert Word file to PDF file. Let's start. First of all, let me tell about PDF files. PDF is an abbreviation that stands for Portable Document Format. It's a versatile file format created by Adobe that gives people an easy, reliable way to present and exchange documents, regardless of the software, hardware, or operating systems being used by anyone who views the document. PDF file can't be edited before convert it into Word file. Word file can be edited anyone. To convert Word file to PDF, open your Word file or create a Word file. For example, I have a sample of a cover letter. I want to convert it into PDF. Click on File and click on Save As or press Ctrl+S. Select your directory where you want to save. Write your name here. And from Save As type, click on PDF and click on Save. You can see Word file is converted into PDF. I have already created a video on how to convert PDF file to Word document. To convert PDF file to Word document, click on this I button. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. Like and share this video to others. Consider subscribing my channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.